Hey, what's up, y'all? Just making sure I get these quick videos in. And they're not really going to be quick, I guess, because we're back to our Nike's move to zero, right? It's Nike's first journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. And you see in the box, and you know that these boxes are recycled. I think they're, let me see, are they made from recycled material? That's moves in the Nike Curel to the 100% recyclable box. So it's a recyclable box. Of course, we saw this with the Vapor Max. This is the Cortez Basic Premium. So our classic Cortez, Forrest Gump, black and white, Farrah Fawcett, all of that good stuff, is a $90 shoe. So it gets a bump up in price because it features recycled materials and an additional set of shoestrings. But it's a recycled canvas, and I'm going to turn this here, and I'm going to go ahead and read the tag for you guys so you can get the full gist of the shoe. So the Cortez Basic Premium, the color is iron gray, white, barely volt. The style code is CQ6663-001, and the SRP, like I said, is $90. This is a size 14. I won't go into the UPC and all of that stuff. What's important on this shoe is obviously the midsole, which you see has the Nike grind material. You can't see it on the bottom, of course, but you can see it in that midsole and in the tongue. And of course, this recycled canvas. It's a really good looking shoe. And the insole, I'm tripping. And the insole is stuck in, so I won't pull it out. But what I will do is move it up there so you can see what it looks like. Get that swoosh the right way. And it's a really cool looking shoe from Nike, showing that they are beginning to consider how much waste they create with the production of all of these shoes. So it's kind of critical that Nike takes this position and takes this stance and begins to work on creating a more sustainable product because they make so many shoes. It's critical that they do so. But that's just a really quick video. Wanted to make sure you guys got to see that. I'm going to turn it so you can get a shot of the back. Matter of fact, I'll lift it up and move it up some so you can see it. And then I'm going to wrap this video up. You know what? I'll hold it so you can get a really good look at the tongue with the recycled material. You said it looks like confetti almost, but that's that Nike grind where they're chopping up a lot of the old materials that they've used from previous shoes, and you can drop off shoes. You could, before COVID hit, you could drop off shoes in the store for Nike grind for things to be repurposed into play mats and fields and stuff like that, but you can drop it off right now. They've removed the baskets for you to drop off shoes until COVID is over, and that's understandable. But that's it, wrapping it up. Nice quick video for the Cortez Premium move to zero. That's it. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content, which reduces our carbon footprint. It's cool. Next shoe. All right. I didn't even do the stamp right there. Usually I do the stamp. I guess I will do the stamp real quick. See it? No sticker. Stamp B. 2007-15-03. 2007-15-03. I will go in on the tag and look at the dates of production. It's made in Indonesia, 02-05-20 to 06-23-20. The little code is JV. Gosh, this thing is stiff. I just realized that. That's it for real this time. Peace.